Buying an appliance should be exciting. Yeah, whoa! But if you've ever found yourself browsing a showroom, staring into middle ground, or clicking on products online for it to just become overwhelming, you're certainly not alone. And if you do buy a product and it isn't compatible, well, you've got essentially a very heavy paperweight. Brilliant. And if you try and return it, you may be faced with very hefty restocking fees. What starts as an exciting project, a great upgrade, becomes a costly, drawn-out headache. Almost all of it is avoidable. At Addison Appliances, trade expertise and product advice isn't an afterthought. It's central to what we do. It lays the groundwork for everything that comes next. And the earlier you get us in, the smoother the process becomes. When you reach out to us, we take the time to understand your home and your current situation before you commit to anything. Switching from gas to induction, we'll check your home's electrical capacity and suggest if you have or if you need an electrical circuit. If you want a range hood that works, we assess your ducting options before you fall in love with a product that is incompatible. If you're after classic gas cooking, we can assess your home and your kitchen against the current clearance requirements to make sure what is installed is legal and works properly. Well, if there's a clash, we can modify it. If it's underpowered, we can upgrade it. If it doesn't fit, we can cut it. And if the space isn't compliant, we can rectify it. We can offer you additional services for most any contingency you face. And we often outline this in the first quote, just in case. It can be a jungle out there with buying a new appliance. Reach out to Melbourne's appliance installation specialist before you make any decisions. And don't forget, for product advice and installations, contact Addison Appliances.